Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I show you how to create YouTube channel in your smartphone. It's very easy method. The method includes 3 steps. 1. We have to create email. 2. Create YouTube channel. 3. YouTube settings. Moving towards our first step, that we have to create a new email for our new YouTube channel. So first of all, we have to create our email. So now open email and create a new email. Set up an email from Google. Wait for a while. Now here we have to create a account for myself. Enter your name. So it's a example count. So I type an example name. Enter your surname. Now next, enter your basic information. Next, choose your own email address. You can create your own email address. So it's just a example code. I select this. Next, create a strong password. The password includes capital letter, small letter, and words. You have to create strong password because it's the email of your YouTube channel. As you see, I type capital letters, small letters, and words and letters in my password to create my strong password. Now next, yes, I am in. Next, accept the privacy and terms. Wait for a while. Your email has been created. Now you clear first step. Moving towards our second step, that we have to create YouTube channel. Open YouTube. Sign in your Google with the email account we just created. Now tap on the email icon. Now choose the first option, your channel, to create your channel. In picture, you choose an logo for your channel. In name section, you have to create a unique name like it's just a dummy account. Your name of the channel must be related to the videos you upload on your channels. Now select pictures. Now select logo for your YouTube channel. Save it. Now select the option create channel. Wait a while. Now step 2 is clear. We successfully create our YouTube channel. Step 3 is YouTube settings. Move to your home page. Select the setting options. Now add description. The description of your channel must be related to the videos you upload on your channel. Now press OK. You will keep the all privacy setting off. Here you see you can easily create a YouTube channel with following steps. Now create a video and upload it on your YouTube channel. Here is the simple and easy tutorial how to create a YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.